Hi, my name is Vijay Nishant. I am an urban conservationist, also a tree doctor. It's very important to do the conservation in the urban areas. Urban area is the where the people get connected, children get to see and everything. If we keep losing all this trees, the biodiversity and everything, how the children will connect it, how the people will connect it. That's how they will not even come to fight for it actually. That's why it's very important to you conserve all the biodiversity in the city level. It's a pleasure like associating with a Kreate to carry this environment message of saving the trees because every breath what you take it's a tree actually. By saving the tree, we will be saving the entire world in every way and every biodiversity, every being in the world. So it's very important we take care of our tree and save the tree.
Our home, our environment, this earth is our responsibility. Like we take care of our own homes, our own houses, our own space. It is our space to take responsibility. Unless we take responsibilities of the home that we live on, the planet Earth, the environment, it will have no future. And with it, we also will not have any future. Today, as we stand on this World Environment Day, I personally and also appeal to all to create awareness and do our bit for our Mother Earth and environment.